Good morning, this beautiful Sunday. Today we're dealing with an issue of comfort access. I think one of the door handles is acting up and needs to be replaced. I'll show you what happens when I approach the car. So I have the key in my pocket. So let's see what happens. So you see I didn't do anything. And you can hear the clicking. And as soon as you back away, it stops. So as you can see, I suspect it's the passenger rear door. I think that's the one. See? As soon as I approach it, and I read that you can hold it and you feel it hotter than, I don't particularly feel anything. It's normal temperature, but yeah, looks like it's this one. So I'm gonna walk over. See, I didn't do anything. It's unlocking by itself. Now we're gonna go back. I'm holding it in my hand. You heard it click. Gonna do it again. Nothing. Go back the other side. And I heard it just click. So it looks like I looked it up online. It's pretty much removing this grommet here. There's a T15, I believe, and then the handle comes out, and I unplug it. This way, it stops draining the battery because I'm getting the high discharge while idle, I think. So gotta take care of that. Probably buy a used one. And you see, I left it charging all night, and that is not a good indicator. I tested the battery and it's telling me battery is bad. So battery needs to be replaced as well. Right there, that's the Torx. It's a T15, and you don't have to worry about it falling off because it's got a retaining clip on the inside. So what we do, I got one of these. It's long enough, it reaches. And then when you turn, it'll just stop turning, and that's when you know you're done. So it stopped. Take it out, and then you just pull on the handle. So you pull this side out just far enough until it's released, and then you have to go to this side. You don't pull directly because it's got a U shape going in, so you have to go nice and slow, and you bring it out. And what you have here, two plugs. The small one is for the LED light, and this one is for the comfort access. So we're gonna remove this one. I'm trying to do this while holding the phone. I just lifted it. Now It's unplugged. Once it's unplugged, see, I don't have a replacement, but I'm just trying to figure out if it's this one. Then I'll just order another one. So you see, I just tucked it back in. All right, now that it's in. Okay. Now we're gonna do the test. I think this is far enough for it not to detect the key. All right, so got the key here, just holding it in its pouch. And we're gonna walk up to the car. You see, nothing happened. Car is perfectly fine. If I try to use comfort access on this side, it's not gonna work. Okay, nothing works. But if I go on the front side, boom. Nicely done. Okay, so now I know that this is the faulty handle, and I just gotta replace it. And you saw how easy it was. Just one Torx 15, two clips inside the handle, one for the LED, one for the LED light, and one for the comfort access function on the inside, and this one to lock and unlock. Okay, so now that I showed you how to diagnose the issue, which door handle is the culprit, if you don't have a scanner, I read online that you could not scan the car for that specific issue, that it wouldn't come up. I have multiple scanners. One of them is the BMW ISTA, which I'm not going to be using today. I'm just going to go with more of a less setup requiring tool. So we're going to start with the top done, and this one is the Audi Diag 800 BT. We're gonna try and see if this one picks it up. So what I did, I already erased the codes multiple times, started the car, went for a drive, came back. So now we're gonna scan it again and see if it comes up. Forgot to mention that I did plug the old door handle back in, so to see if it's gonna pick it up, if it's gonna see an issue. And while we do that, this is the door handle that I was able to pick up on eBay, same color as my car. Guy gave me, the seller gave me a 30-day money back guarantee, so if it doesn't work, give it back to him. Okay, so it's the same, it's a lot easier, same color. I don't have to worry about removing the shell if I use something that has a different color. So now let's go to the scanning. So let's see if I can just set this guy up here on the steering wheel. Automatically search. And then we're gonna do next. And we're gonna pick option number 1, the health report. I already see car access system, so we'll see. Okay. You're interested in this one? Oh, look at that. Continue. And you can see, let me try to zoom in. Outside door handle, electronic module, passenger side rear, non-permissible current value on unlock line. Okay, so the good thing about this tool, if you connect, hotspot it to your phone, for example, or Wi-Fi, if you're by your house, and you click on it, what it does is it's going to connect you to Google, and then it's going to give you results of what you could do to fix it. But we already know what the fix is. You see like discussion forums, whatnot. So I cleared it. Like I said, I cleared it many times. It keeps coming back, so I'm pretty sure that's what it is. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna replace the door handle. We're gonna clear the codes. We're gonna start the car, go for a drive, turn it off, scan it again, and see if the code comes back. If it doesn't come back, then we're guaranteed two things. You can scan for this code, you can scan for this issue, and you can find it, tells you exactly which door handle it is, and you can either use that, or if you don't have a scanner, you can just do what we did at the beginning. So let me try. I have another scan tool, and I'm gonna try this one just to see the difference. So this one is the NT510 Elite multi-system scanner. It's by Foxwell. So let's try this guy and see what it says. So using the Foxwell scanner, we get the same result, but I'm not sure what the description will be. So it is the car access system, the CAS module. So we're gonna go in and see what it says. Just want to see if they use the same language. Read codes. Outside door handle, electronic module, passenger side rear, non-permissible current value on unlock line. Okay, so that's pretty much the same. At least we know both scanners pick up the error. So now the goal is to replace the door handle again, clear all the codes, scan again. If we don't see it, then we know two things. We know that the scanner picks up the fault, and the new door handle is good to go. So just stay tuned. I'm just gonna remove the plugs. This is the door, the old one. Again, I'm trying to do this with two hands while holding the phone. Just gently, you pull and try to push the plug the same way, and then you take off. Okay, so this is the old one, and this is the new door handle. Same color as the car, so we're golden. Okay, it's good. And remember, this goes in front of it, not behind it. So you're gonna feed it on this side here. Don't try to push it behind it. And because when you push the door handle, it's gonna wanna go in here, so you would have to push on it a little bit, just gently, not that much. Not what I intended to do. Once the door handle is in, you're just gonna go in here. So I clear the codes. Scanned again, and now you can see car access system pass, no fault. Go in, read. Nothing. So I can confirm. You can scan for the code. You can scan for the bad door handle. And once I replaced it with the used one in good condition, the code is no longer there. So now let's try the top done. Let's see if we get the same result. This is the top done. Again, it's wireless. It's Bluetooth. So this is the module that goes in the OBD port. Let's go back. Clear. It's already green, you see it, cast. There's nothing in it. That right there tells me we're not gonna find anything. I'm not worried about these. I already know about them. But if we go into CAS, it's nothing. Yeah, so I can confirm it's something you can scan for, and these are aftermarket scans. All right, new door handle, well, used door handle installed. Walk up to the car. It's first of all, it does work. I hope this video was helpful, guys. If you ever run into this issue, can't forget to put that back. So yeah, if you run into this issue, at least now you know. You have a couple of methods how to diagnose it and what it takes to fix it. You can go with OEM door handle, new one. They go for, I saw them between $397 and $500 just for the door handle without the locking mechanism. Or you can go with aftermarket. I've seen guys reuse the housing, so they take it apart and reuse the housing because of the color, and then just the internals will be aftermarket. Or you can just go with the used one with some type of a warranty. So that's what I went for, so it's up to you guys. Alright, hopefully this video was helpful. Please, if you like the content, don't forget to subscribe. There will be more videos coming up soon. Hope see you soon. Alright, take care, guys.